Hey guys, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying positive out there. It is never a dull and boring moment in crypto, finance, and the stock market. That is why I love doing daily market updates. Now, today, ladies and gentlemen, was an absolute freaking bloodbath with a flash crash with Bitcoin and the entire crypto market. We're going to go over what the hell happened today. So many liquidations, it's absolutely wild. And we've also got some updates in relation to the XRP army. Yes, we are freaking real. Mike Novogratz, Shiba Inu seeing trillions of dollars in accumulation, Solana flipping, Ethereum on the NFT side of things, and Justin Sun updates as well. There was a massive hack that took place, and I'm going to be going over my 3 commas bots, which saw some massive liquidations today. Anyway, bulls, let's get into the video. There's just a lot to talk about this afternoon. Big shout out and thank you to every single one of you who have subscribed to the channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. Now, if you are new, make sure you smash the subscribe button down there and turn on that little bell notification as well, because as you can see right here, I absolutely love documenting my journey with investing, with cryptos, dividend stocks, growth stocks, talking about passive income, building financial freedom, and of course my goal at the end of the day is to build generational wealth. So come along this incredible journey. Things are getting freaking insane in this space. Also, if you can give this video a thumbs up, watch it straight through, would really help me push this channel out to a lot more people, because the YouTube algorithm is absolute magic when you find, ladies and gentlemen, do that, all right? So make sure you give it a good old thumbs up. Doesn't cost you anything. It's down there. Thank you very much. You guys absolutely rock. Also, a little disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and due diligence with this stuff, all right? I don't want to see anyone get financially hurt. That is why my #1 golden rule is I only invest what I can afford to lose. And yes, we don't like to lose. You can lose money like that in the blink of an eye in crypto, as we saw today. So please be careful. Do your own research and due diligence. This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Right, formalities are out of the way, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, it's been a freaking insane day today. Like, just absolutely freaking nuts. Came out of nowhere, was literally at my computer at the office, and I was getting dozens and dozens of liquidation emails from OKX, and I was like, something is going on. I looked on my TradingView chart and just a complete boom, straight down. Unbelievable. Anyway, it came out of nowhere, but these things happen in crypto. This is why I say only invest what you can afford to lose. Red Bull, need a sponsorship deal, guys. And for my audience, you guys each get a Red Bull if we can get a sponsorship. Anyway, what the hell happened today? I found this article right here. In the crypto market witnessed sharp decline, liquidations exceeding $283 million. That's US dollars in 5 minutes. Holy shit. Wow. And although it is said to decrease was made to liquidate the whales taking long positions on the BitMEX exchange, the exact reason for the decrease is unknown. I think that there was so much long positions open. I mean, long positions everywhere. And I mean, I had long positions open up with 3 commas on OKX. It's, you know, obviously these exchanges couldn't handle it. And that's why they got liquidated or closed out those positions. Now, on the other hand, it was already expected that the price, which had been rising and swelling for 8 weeks, always a freaking ambulance, a fire truck in the background, sorry about that, bulls, would make a correction at some point. Although the bear market is over or ending according to many experts, this does not mean the price will always rise. That is the truth. And I usually hedge that by having short positions open up on 3 commas as well. Here are the highlights from the latest market movement today. Ethereum dropped over 5%. Bitcoin was around about 4%. Ethereum is one of the leading cryptos, witnessed a decline over 5% in the last hour. And the decline in ETH value reflects the general bearish sentiment prevailing in the market. Common drops among altcoins as well. We had Flow, Crow, XTZ, Neo, Toncoin, Carver, recorded declines exceeding 10%. Some of my altcoins actually dropped around 15%, which is nuts. And the broad nature of the decline indicates the market-wide correction, which again does happen. It is healthy for these bull markets. Now, again, total liquidations, were 283 million US dollars, and the market turmoil caused liquidations to exceed $283 million within an hour. Investors and traders faced challenging conditions due to the increased volatility in the market. And again, long orders liquidated, significant liquidations in long positions with $271 million, which is just absolutely insane. Anyway, this morning, I should say, top altcoins changes everything, guys. Just the market was just nuts. I'm just a little bit pissed off that there was liquidations, but this is what happens in the game. We have to be prepared for it as well. And also during the Asian session, this when it actually occurred in Australia as well, and tagging around the $40,400 mark level. And according to the data from CoinGlass, this move caused nearly $200 million worth of liquidations. And with the US Consumer Price Index, or CPI, and the Fed's interest rate decision set to take place this week, volatility is likely going to remain high. So we have to be careful with those trades. Now let's go to coin market cap. We have Australian dollars now, and again, sorry about that, bulls. I'm just keeping an eye on the market, but let's go to US dollars and change this. We have 1.57 trillion massive liquidations today, as you can see. The flash crash, $71 billion in trading volume. I am starting to see this slightly go back up with some altcoins. Now again, top gainers in my portfolio, BTT, AMP, Luna's still holding, which is interesting, OMI and Ravane. Going to top coins today, let's go in the last hour and see actually what's going on here. I do apologize about that. Change this to 1 hour. Slightly going back up. Bitcoin was down like 4% today, so we are seeing a slight increase going up. We'll see what happens. There's a lot of altcoins still down significantly today. It's an absolute bloodbath. I'm not fearful though. I know crypto's not going away anywhere. This is just a standard procedure during a bull market. There is always going to be a correction. This probably needed to happen, but it's annoying for those of us who are trading. Now, let's go to crypto bubbles. And yes, bulls, I have the Wall Street Bull University linked below. I put up all my buys, my sells, my trades, my indicators, my day trading bots with 3 commas, my dollar cost averaging bots. I literally just filmed that will go live on the channel as well, a new video for the Signal bot that you can use trading view indicators on 3 commas, and of course OKX, both the partners. Really, really bullish stuff in community, guys. I was putting updates in here all day today, so make sure you join up. The link is below. I also put up my dividend stock investments. Again, I dollar cost average every single week and showcase that dividend income, which is bullish as anything, guys. Less volatile than crypto, that's for sure. And more importantly, there is a chat feature in here which allows me to speak to everybody, which is nice, instantaneously, in real time. Really, really cool, guys. And yes, you can direct message me here in the Patreon. Go join up to the Wall Street Bull University. It is linked below. Thank you to those 792 members. You guys absolutely rock. And if you're watching the video now, you rock also. Let's have a look quickly at 3 commas. Now, again, it's been a freaking bloodbath. Absolutely insane. I was sitting around about 15,000 Aussie dollars today in this, and it just got liquidated. And this happens. We have to deal with it, unfortunately. It is part of the game. Now, again, I do have my all perpetual futures USDT on 15x leverage, both in open, obviously in long and short, sorry. You can copy all of these bots in the Wall Street Bull University Patreon, which is linked below. So you can adjust these to however much capital you have. It's completely up to you. So you can do as you wish. Hopefully my microphone's working. It's pretty cool. I'm used to this big thing in my face all the time. Anyway, everything is obviously still on. I'm still running these particular bots. I have not stopped them. And it was painful to say the least. Now, again, 3 commas. You can use the new application which was released recently. It's awesome. You can do everything on this app now. You don't necessarily have to use a PC screen or Mac or whatever you're using. But however, I do like to use a larger screen because it's a lot easier to see everything. But you can do it all on the app now, which is awesome. So go check it out on the App Store and, of course, on the Android store, whatever it's called. Now, moving on. Let's go to OKX. This is painful. Today, I was liquidated because of that massive drop, $5,461. That was freaking painful as anything. On the week, I'm still down 558. I was seeing some nice gains yesterday, but that drop just today just wiped me out. I'm down 1,500 on the month. However, on the 6 months, I'm still up 88%. That is 20,195. So, yeah, this is why I say never invest anything you can't afford to lose, right? This is a full transparent channel, guys. No BS. Now, let's go here. I currently have 100 positions opened up trading on OKX, who are also an official partner. The long positions are doing quite well. I do have the short bot turned on, And as you can see, guys, it was an absolute bloodbath today. If I go to the position history, freaking insane. My short bots are working. I've switched on the short bots. I had them off for a day or two because the market was very volatile, going up, of course. But you can see right here, the short bots are now taking profits. So there you go. Had I have had the short bots switched on today, I can honestly say that I'll be sitting on a hell of a lot more profit. But really nice. The liquidations were freaking insane, and they literally happened in the span of 5 minutes. Like, no BS. But this is the name of the game. I'm still running the trades because crypto is not going anywhere. And yes, there will be more corrections to occur in the future, but we'll remain optimistic because I've been running these for 6 months and I've been through a lot with these bots. Binance being sued, all kinds of lawsuits getting thrown at people. You know, now this, unbelievable. It happens. That's just part of the game, bulls. That's just part of the game. Anyway, everything is linked in the Patreon, Wall Street Bull University. Go join up. It is linked below. Let's have a look at crypto bubbles. It is a sea of freaking red today. Let's have a look on the hour to see what's going on here. BTT is the only gainer. Interesting. I do hold BTT, and it's going to be interesting to see what happens with that. We do have some gainers. Sorry, my computer's going nuts. Luna is up 4.4% today, $1. That's Luna 2.0, by the way, not Luna Classic. BTT up 17% on the day, 200% on the week, and 225% on the month. That is freaking insane. I do hold it in the portfolio. I do not recommend buying it. There are good, obviously, dollar cost averaging opportunities to just buy and hold. That is a completely different strategy to trading. Yes, for example, Quant is down 6% to $108 US. Nice. Let's have a look and find XDC. That is also down 8.9%. Some great buying opportunities at 4 cents, really, when you think about it. And of course, XRP down 7%, 61 cents. Who doesn't like XRP? Come on. We're the XRP army. Absolutely bullish, ladies and gentlemen. Axie Infinity, 10.3%. It is down. Still up 16% on the month. I do hold Axie. And again, I'm a long-term holder of Axie Infinity. Bullish on play to earn. Now, again, Bitcoin dumps 5% in an hour. Why the crypto market's tanking right now. And the largest digital asset crashed almost 5% in just over an hour, slumping 43,000 to an intraday low of 41,780 during the Asian trading session. Now, I did mention this earlier today. This is what happened. Absolutely nuts. Now, at the time of writing, Bitcoin was changing hands around 42.3, and it's still up. It is still up. It's actually not that bad, to be honest with you. It's just those leverage positions that we were trading. This is what happens when we trade. The big slide comes after a solid rally, adding 65% to the price. Bitcoin since the middle of October, when it was trading around 26,800. After its 8-day straight green weeks, Bitcoin finally taking a breather. Observe macroeconomics outlier Kabesi letter. Anyway, and it was during the Asian trading session, so... And yes, there were now, this is $310 million US in liquidations ahead of the US CPI data and interest rate decision. Again, they're probably going to raise interest rates. That's what all governments are doing around the freaking world. Absolute idiots, if you ask me. And again, Bitcoin price fall cools off overheated market because, again, it was getting quite heated. Everyone had long positions opened up. We're all getting greedy. Tell me you're not getting greedy because we all are. It's human nature. We just got to cool it a little bit. And again, this is why I say never invest more than you can afford to lose. But anyway, moving on. XRP news. Mike Novogratz finally agrees the XRP army is freaking real. It's about time. He came out in an interview today, but in a recent podcast, Novogratz revealed that he initially doubted the XRP's longevity in the crypto scene. Why? I don't know. He just hated it, but now he's changed his tune, as well as many other people. And per his admission, the mistrust was due to Ripple's significant ownership stake in XRP. What about Ethereum? Anyway. However, he has now commended the XRP community for fair dedication to the XRP project. I was skeptical that XRP would have lasting power because payment company Ripple owns 60% of XRP. And I was like, that just doesn't seem like a proposition that's going to work. And I've been dead wrong, admitted Novogratz during the podcast. That is true. And he went on to give credit to Brad Garlinghouse, legend to XRP and Ripple, CEO and the entire Ripple team. Additionally, Novogratz acknowledged Ripple's transformation into the formidable institution and payments landscape. Now, furthermore, the pro-Bitcoin investor directly acknowledged the XRP army. There was a trigger on my signal bot just then, highlighting the passionate community actively promoting the XRP ecosystem. Besides, he drew parallels between the XRP community's dedication and Bitcoin, stating that both represent places that people store value. In other words, the XRP army is real. They care about their ecosystem and the coin. Yes, it's got a use case, but broadly, the use case is the same as Bitcoin. There you go. It's another place for people to want to store value. Very, very nice. Thank you, Mike. Novograts, quickly bulls. Shiba Inu seeing trillions in accumulation spree by mega whales. Is a 0.001 SHIB price now highly in view? I mean, I'm still holding on to my Shiba Inu as well, but let's have a look at this. Following a huge transaction involving 4 trillion Shiba Inu coins with a staggering valuation exceeding $42 million in fiat currency. That is a lot. Popular wallet tracking bot Whale Alert recently discovered this transfer, and this might be a sign of significant activity within the Shiba Inu ecosystem. And again, I'm still holding my Shiba Inu. I have not sold it. Solana flips Ethereum on NFT sales. What? I mean, it's without question that the Ethereum gas fees are freaking insane. But again, I'm not big on the NFT space, but it's nice to see something happening to Ethereum getting overtaken. Cannot wait for XRP to do that. Justin Sun, just a little bit different here, but HTX crypto exchange sees $258 million of outflow post-hack. And the HTS exchange, formerly known as Huobi, and affiliated with Chinese crypto mogul Justin Sun, has seen a massive $258 million of net outflow since resuming operations after falling victim to a significant hack in November. And DeFi Llama reveals that the outflow occurred between November 25th and December 10th, indicating that the security incident unsettled some clients. HTX lost $30 million worth of crypto tokens during the breach and temporarily suspended withdrawals and deposits despite occurrences and investigations of full compensation for hot wallet losses. Hot wallet, meaning your coins are on exchange. Take them off the freaking exchanges, please. Moving on, cryptometer.io, let's have a look where the buy flow is. We've got money going into Bitcoin, of course, AVAX, XRP, LUNC, FTT. Stay the frick away from that, please. Matic. We've got Ethereum, Shiba Inu. We do have Near Protocol, SNX, Synthetics, and SUI. Let's have a look at Twitter. And then we'll end up on this, bulls. I'm at the Wall Street Bull Oz, making that very freaking clear. If you're following another account with a blue check mark, I'm not going to mention the account's name. It's not me. I'm born on the 8th of August. Come on. You can't fake a YouTube video. Straight up. Anyway, thank you to those 5,800 plus people. You guys absolutely rock. Yes, this is a Bitcoin skull ring. Go grab yourself one. It's on the link in the page. 129 days of potential price surge. Expect volatility and institutional interest spike. 100%. We've got total crypto market cap is down 4.1% today. That's 1.64 trillion. Absolutely freaking insane. Pompliano right here. More than 57% of all Bitcoin in circulation has not moved in the last 2 years. And holders rode the asset $69,000 down to 16,000 and back up to 44,000. That's bullish as well. And yes, $333 million worth of liquidations occurred today. Absolutely insane. Let's have a listen to Stuart Alderodi.
Settles if the SEC makes clear that Ripple sales and distributions of XRP and XRP's trading in the secondary market does not constitute a security. If they're willing to acknowledge that, the case settles and settles very, very quickly.
Though, yes or no, any settlement on the table?
We've said publicly since day one that this case settles if the SEC makes...
Do you reckon they're going to settle? I don't think so. We'll see what happens. But anyway, that's the drip today on TradingView. Absolutely nuts, bulls. And yes, this is Mike Novogratz earlier today. Have a listen to him.
Skeptical that XRP would have lasting power because Ripple, the company, owns 60% of them, now 55 or 50% of them. And I was like, that just doesn't seem a proposition that's going to work. And I've been dead wrong. Hats off to Brad Garlinghouse and his team. Ripple is now, a institution. The XRP army is real. They care about their ecosystem and their coin.
There you go. Very, very bullish. Top 10 holders of Bitcoin. Of course, we've got Satoshi, Binance, Grayscale, US government. Interesting. We've got Mt. Gox, Bitfinex, China government, MicroStrategy, and Block One. Who else we got here? Robinhood. There you go. Absolutely nuts. And yes, the pro-Bitcoin president of Argentina has been sworn in today as well. There's a lot going on there. And yes, of course, I've still got my banking coin list, bulls, and everyone should have a watch list as well set up. And that is pretty much it. Let me go to that banking coin list because these coins have actual utility. And yes, Solana, XRP, XLM, Chainlink, AVAX, they're all in there. Anyway, bulls, I'm out of here. Have a good night, have a good afternoon, and a good morning. And if it's morning, have espresso or Red Bull if you're like me, because those liquidations hurt today. But we keep moving forward. We keep moving forward. And join the Patreon, bulls. Very, very bullish, the Wall Street Bull University. All right, I'm out. Peace out. Bye.